Meet Daniel. Daniel owns a popular pizza joint in his local town. He's achieving a lasting return on investment with his search engine optimization campaigns, and his business was bringing in customers from across the region using traditional SEO techniques. However, in the past few months, he's noticed his online orders are declining month after month. Visitor numbers are falling, and his pizza business is losing money. Something has obviously changed, but he couldn't figure it out. To solve the problem, Danielle decided to hire the services of an SEO consultant. Well, after interviewing a few specialists from several local companies, Dan decided to go with Ron, a certified WSI adaptive SEO specialist who immediately identified Daniel's rankings problems and highlighted a long-term solution. Ron explained to Daniel that Google has recently implemented their latest algorithm update. This was the cause behind the huge loss in rankings for Daniel's pizza business website. Ron showed Daniel that his pizza business was losing online orders because it no longer ranked on the first page of Google. He then pinpointed the solution by introducing Daniel to adaptive SEO, a strategy that would help his company protect its ranking position, regardless of the latest Google algorithm changes. Ron explained that adaptive SEO is a strategy that assures long-term results rather than focusing on short-term gains. He showed Daniel that this strategy combines the best practices of keyword use, content marketing, site optimization, social media performance, and proper link building to help companies achieve constant top-level rankings and high-level visibility online. It was a no-brainer decision for Daniel to begin adaptive SEO implementation. Well, 6 months later, Daniel has seen an online orders increase by 110%. Ron and Daniel now meet regularly every month to measure the pizza business's adaptive SEO campaign and to help avoid any drop in rankings. During the monthly meetings, Ron also identified a number of website improvements and opportunities and is now in the process of completing a website redesign. Daniel couldn't be happier with the results achieved. In fact, he's opening up a new store in the near future, thanks to the additional profits achieved online. Adaptive SEO is a responsive online marketing solution for today's small, medium, and large-size business owners. Take advantage of a free consultation to find out how adaptive SEO can help your business stay on the front page of Google for your industry and improve upon your online marketing returns. Contact WSI ALM today via email at info@wsialm.com or call 1-877-871-0497 today.